Totality shells by Pyroland Fireworks, 2019 version. We are approximately 200 feet away and hope the first few shells may not come in clearly focused, but we will adjust the focus accordingly and go from there. And first shell is blue to green strobe with long duration. And 3, 2, 1, fire. Let's adjust the height. Second shell is sky blue to red with silver chrysanthemum. The first shell had a 1.72 second lift. And second shell, and let's try. Okay. 3, 2, 1, fire. 1.6 second left. Let's see. Third shell is magenta to sky blue with gold strobe. In 3, 2, 1. Nice. With a 1.9 second left. So we've got everywhere from a 1.6 second to 1.9 second left. So far everything's labeled correctly though. Fourth shell is neon green to sky blue with green strobe. And 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we can angle this up a little bit more. Get a little more of that break. Fifth shell is gold willow to purple to green glitter. 3, 2, 1, fire. That's a good focus, so we're good. We're right where we need to be. 1.63 seconds left. Sixth shell is titanium willow to purple to green glitter. So not quite the gold, but gold titanium willow. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was nice. 1.72 seconds left. Shell number 7 is gold willow to sea blue to red glitter. And that's in 3, 2, 1. 1.62. That was nice. Number 8 is a titanium willow to blue to gold glitter. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was killer. 1.57 seconds left. Now, shell number 9 is grass green to yellow to special white brocade. And 3, 2, 1. 1.97 seconds. Now these next three are kind of unique. These have a horsetail. So they're not a traditional, just a simple break. They actually have a horsetail and a canister shell. The first one is a blue chrysanthemum with gold titanium willow horsetail. And it's number 10 in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. 1.6 seconds left. The next one is a pink chrysanthemum with gold titanium willow horsetail. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 1.87 seconds left. Number 12 is purple chrysanthemum with gold titanium willow horsetail. 3, 2, 1. 1.87 seconds.